How often were they? Grease
Probably
fittings.
300 miles.
Grease fittings, right there and there.
Probably never. If you happen to think of it, you can't put too much in it.
Yep. And then motor oil on the front.
Yeah, yep, there are little caps on top there. You see the caps?
Yep.
I like old ones in it.
If we are storing this for any length of time, put this lever all the way forward.
Easiest way to do this is
And then,
then this always goes up to start.
up to start.
Yeah, that's your timing. Yeah.
Got it.
Through these two and then back.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh no.
His battery to the right mag.
Left is battery. Okay.
The mag doesn't work at this particular time because the switch is funky. Something's wrong with the switch. We can get a new one later. High, low beam headlights. Okay. Gas. Timing advance. All the way up to start it, and then once it runs, you put it back down until it runs smooth. Forward, reverse, brake. All the way down is low. Halfway up is neutral. All the way up is high, with this lever ahead. That puts it in high gear. Okay, that pedal comes up. This is high gear, low gear for the rear end and stuff. Starter button. Choke lever. Fuel adjustment, but don't mess with that because it's set good. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I'll show you how to start it.
The oil pan.
Yep.
All right. Who shut the fuel off?
Exactly what I was gonna say. Yeah.
Is there spark?
Oh, no, we left.
You got no lights.
Huh.
Here you go. Do we have spark on?
No. And we have no lights here. The coil is buzzing.
All right. Who shut the fuel off?
Exactly what I was gonna say. Yeah.
Is there spark?
Oh, no, we left.
You got no lights.
Huh.
Here you go. Do we have spark on?
No. And we have no lights here. The coil is buzzing.
Oh, we have none.
Ron, look here. Kevin. Kevin. Dave, look here. Get a picture of you.